Guys, want to do some cool stuff with the Raspberry Pi? So here it is set up. It's got the HDMI and the power and nothing else. The HDMI is just plugged into the AVR that the PS4 and the Apple TV also happen to be plugged into. My phone's got this app called Blink that lets you like SSH, like, you know, Linuxy stuff. And you just gotta clone the repository, and that might take a minute. You gotta, you know, enter the folder that you just downloaded. Go ahead and make that install script executable, and then just go ahead and run the that's not what I meant to type. Run that install script. It'll take a minute, but trust me, it'll work unless I did it on a fresh installation of Raspberry Pi Lite. No, just Raspbian Lite. And now we're going to go ahead and, assuming that the installation went right, go ahead and run this simple command, which you can just run again later, murti-cec-client. So this actually was made by someone else, this company called Pulse 8 for this adapter that they sell, but this code has been modified by me to show what you are about to see, which is this. Oh, that actually was well timed. So now it's showing the devices that I can look at. So there's PlayStation 4, Apple TV. I'm going to do PlayStation 4. So device 4, all right. I'm going to hit 4. That's what's new. I hit enter. Let's see, power on is P. What? Alright, I went straight here. Didn't ask for me to hit the PS button. I'm going to hit X to enter. And look at that. Look, D, 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 A, W, S. Pretty neat. You can eject. Check it out. What? And with one button, powering it off. Pretty neat. So now I'm going to switch to the Apple TV. Oh wait, no. What do I hit? I. And then I hit 8 to say, no, I want to do the Apple TV instead. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty cool. Look, oh wait, no, E does nothing. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, and this is SSH. There's a delay. So if you think about it, you know, you could use your keyboard to control multiple devices, or with, you know, this remote, for example, the Logitech thing, it's got Bluetooth, so then you could just do a Bluetooth keyboard into the Raspberry Pi and then do that kind of stuff. There's also like this remote thing that you can buy. I haven't used. It's like the Flirk remote thing. So basically interprets TV remote signals as keyboard input. So yeah, that'll work. So yeah, what this system is, all it's doing is sending signals over the HDMI, and these signals can actually control stuff. And a fun fact though, this TV and the AVR don't actually support that thing. It's called HDMI-CEC officially. There's other like fancy names for it, but the PlayStation, the Blu-ray player, and the Apple TV support it. And somehow the Raspberry Pi can reach all of them, even though the AVR that they're all connected into does not support it. But I guess it still, you know, just passes the signals through. It just can't read them or do anything about them. So yeah, cool. Hope this tutorial is better than the last one. Yeah. Oh, hi. How are ya? I'm good. Yeah, I'm just doing some casual reading of YouTube comments, but it's alright, I can handle it because I mixed it with a little dose of 91% pure isopropyl alcohol, so I'm doing good. I got it mixing with coconut water and hydrogen peroxide for flavor, so it's good, I can handle it.